ETH Price Prediction February 16 Ethereum loses more than 3.5% in one day and goes below $260 level. The next target support for ETH/US may come at $220.
ETH/US market key levels, resistance levels, $305, $310, $315 support levels, $215, $210, $205 at this daily chart at the moment. The price of ETH/US is dancing at $255 following a 3.7% loss on the day.
The whole market is mainly in the red, with most cryptos having succumbed to downward pressure. Bitcoin, BX, for example, is inching closer to dollar support after failing to hold above dollar. There is a possibility of retracement towards dollar will occur before the largest crypto gathers the strength to zoom towards the coveted dollar. Meanwhile, Ethereum's immediate upside is limited by the 9-day moving average currently at $249. Marginally above this, the pivotal level at $250 will continue to give the buyers sleepless nights. However, a break above the resistance could most likely give ETH/US a boost above $270 before reaching the important resistance at $305, $310 and $315 levels. On the downside, the RC14 has a bearish feel after retreating from highs around 60. The first support lies at $230. This is after $245 failed to hold in the session after opening today. If this level is also cleared, Ethereum could revisit $220 support. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.